You didn't choose this. The stiffness, the weakness, the fear of falling, the quiet frustration of feeling like your body is slipping away from you. And yet, you're still here, watching this, trying, hoping. Let me tell you something no one else has. You are not weak. You've just been carrying this alone. And today, we're going to change that. Before we go any further, I want you to do something with me. Something small but powerful. Wherever you are right now, take a moment. Stand up slowly. Use a chair if you need to. Now, lower yourself back down, steady and controlled. Just one sit to stand. No rush, no pressure, just presence. Feel your legs working. Feel your body responding. That's not weakness. That's reconnection. That's your strength saying, I'm still here. I just needed to be asked. By now, you may have watched one of my other videos. You've seen the habits, the foods, the movements, the simple changes that can rebuild your strength. And maybe you even tried one or two. But then life got in the way, or you forgot, or you just couldn't keep going. Let me tell you something important. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you don't care. And it's definitely not because you're weak. It's because your brain is wired to keep you safe by keeping things the same. Change, even good change, feels like danger to your nervous system. That's why building new habits feels so uncomfortable at first. Your brain isn't fighting you, it's fighting the unknown. But here's the good news. The more often you show up, even in tiny ways, the more your brain learns, this is safe. This is who we are now. So how do you make these small habits actually stick? The answer isn't more willpower, it's strategy and emotion. Here's what works. Start by connecting new habits to something you already do. Brush your teeth every morning? Great. After brushing, take one deep squat or do a single shoulder roll. That's called habit stacking. It works because it's anchored in routine. You can also use visual reminders, a sticky note on the fridge. You are rebuilding. A water bottle left on the chair you always sit in, so you remember to hydrate and stand up every hour. A resistance band hanging on the doorknob, little cues, gentle nudges, quiet commitment. But here's the real key. You won't keep going unless you know why you're doing this, not just to be healthier. That's too vague. Ask yourself this. Do you want to walk at your granddaughter's graduation without pain? Do you want to carry your groceries without fear of falling? Do you want to wake up and feel proud of how strong you've become, inside and out? That's your why. And when the habit feels hard, when the motivation dips, go back to that. Every strong habit is built on a clear reason. Now I want to invite you to do something important. Take a piece of paper, or the notes on your phone, and write this sentence at the top. I want to stay strong because... Don't overthink it. Just let it come from the heart. Maybe it's because I want to feel independent again. Because I want to walk without fear. Because I want to be around for the people I love. Whatever comes up is your truth. That's your why. And that's what will carry you when motivation fades. Now take that sentence and turn it into a simple affirmation for your morning routine. For example, I am rebuilding my strength so I can live freely. Every step I take today brings me closer to the life I want. I am strong. I am steady. I am showing up for myself. Say it while brushing your teeth. Whisper it while making tea. Repeat it while taking your first step in the morning. This is where habit meets meaning, and meaning makes it stick. And here's the part most people underestimate. It's not about doing something once. It's about doing it again, and again, and again. That's how your brain learns. That's how your body adapts. And that's how you become stronger. Repetition is the mother of all skills. Not perfection, not motivation. Just gentle repetition. Every time you repeat your why, your body listens. Every time you show up, even in a small way, your brain rewires. This is how we turn effort into identity. Now I want to leave you with something practical. Because awareness is powerful, but action is what creates change. Here are 5 small things you can do right now to support your muscles. 1. Stand up and sit down slowly, 5 times. Use a chair. Breathe. Feel your legs working. 2. Add a spoon of protein to your next meal. Yogurt, eggs, tofu, a shake. Your muscles are made of what you feed them. 3. Drink a full glass of water. Hydration supports circulation, joints, recovery, everything. 4. Hang your resistance band on a doorknob. Just seeing it reminds your body what it's capable of. 5. Repeat your why out loud. Anchor your mind in your purpose every day. You don't have to do them all. Just pick one or two because you're worth it, even if it didn't work before. Even if you've stopped and started a dozen times. You always have now. Right now is a fresh moment. Right now, you can choose again. Every single moment is a chance to begin again. And if I can be really honest with you, you don't know how many moments you have left. So don't waste this one. Make this one count. Start again. You're not weak. You're just rebuilding. And I'm here with you every step of the way. If this video moved you, if even one part of it made you pause, breathe, or think, yes, that's me, then don't let it fade away. Save this video right now. Make it part of your routine. Watch it again tomorrow, because repetition rewires your brain. And every time you hear these words, they'll sink in a little deeper. Still struggling? Then come back here. Watch this every day if you need to. Let it be your reset button, your anchor, your reminder. Share this with someone you care about, someone who might also feel like they're slipping, but doesn't know how to say it. And finally, if this video helped you, know that there's more waiting for you here. Visit the Senior Muscle Guide channel and explore the full series. Everything you need, habits, food, mindset, movement, it's all there. It's not just a channel, it's a support system. Hit subscribe. Stay connected. You're not doing this alone anymore.